Apparently the snowstorm of the century is about to hit, well, has already hit our farm.
Yes.
From lathering up in clothes to it being -4 degrees outside, and snow on the ground. This sounds inviting.
Yeah.
So apparently, this Saturday it is going to be -3 degrees. What? So this is gonna be fun. What am I doing right now? I am heading out to get the skid steer and give the horses and cows hay. As y'all can see, it's very nice out today. So in a day, we will see how bad and how fast this weather changes. I think I underestimated how cold it was. It's 3 degrees. -3 degrees. He said, oh my goodness. How are we doing?
I'm gonna have him blow us a pass.
Okay. Okay. Good deal. Let's head up in the warm barn. Say hello to all the girls in the barn. We put everybody up last night. We've been preparing. Whew. What's the temperature in here?
Like 30.
30.
It's like almost 40. Oh, they're warm.
Oh yeah. Panique. Okay, so Dad's coming in with the blower. He's going to blow us a path so we can actually get in and out with these milk carts. Madison is coming up with some of our sisters. They're going to be cleaning out stalls while we are milking, me and my mom. We are not letting cows out in this because it is just way too cold. So we are keeping them all in while we clean out stalls. It'll be a little bit of a hassle, but we got to get it done so these girls have clean bedding. No, you cannot come in. He wants their food. No, Shorty. What's that?
Sorry. Oh.
Say, how do we bring them in when they're in the stalls? Well, this is how. A little too warm in here. This barn is very warm.
I tell you what, you don't want it. It's good that it stays 30s because that would not be good.
Right. Yeah, so it's like,
You got your water system, you got...
I know, it's -4 outside and 30 degrees in here. Oh, that's crazy. Let me check.
Living Traditions Homestead review.
Right.
Tell everybody.
My older sister is going out. She's gonna bring some hay to the horses in their hut because they're in the hut, not out eating the round bale. I'm opening gates. Good morning. It is very cold outside right now. Like Devin said, I'm gonna start all the stalls and she's gonna finish milking. And that's where we're at right now. Oh yeah.
No. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. The flies and the heat. I was going to move this side. I take it with the Kubota. You're just going to take it right down here, Maddie, to that corner. Don't go too far in, but give yourself a nice little corner over there and dump right there. And when all this clears, Dad will come in with the machine and the trailer and he'll pick it all up.
Good? Oh, it's freezing.
That is not snow.
I know, it's
That
sleet.
is ice.
It's ice. It hurts. It hurts your
Okay,
eyes.
shut the door. Let's get to the get these
Shut
two
that
stalls
eye.
done and get to the heifers.
There you go.
That baby's gonna need hot water too, girl.
Amanda, you gonna run
You
down
might
there
want to
and
do hot water with her,
right now?
Devin, before you do milk. Or we'll just do a little extra milk. Okay, what? Unplug, baby. Yeah.
How are you feeling on a scale of 1 to 10?
5.
Oh, me too.
Cold, I'm hungry, and I'm tired.
Maddie's working on shavings right now, and we're gonna finish milking.
Watch out.
We got some coming in now
With a dirty butt.
with a dirty butt. Nice hot meal. Sounds
we don't have
amazing.
any bars.
Dad made pancakes this morning.
He didn't make me any. Close this door for me.
Okay. Be careful, there's no mat there, but I did try to
Okay.
knock it off.
Let's go see how this baby's doing.
Not you, sir.
Oh, no. Oh, honey. Yeah. It's your first snow. Whew. It feels like ice coming down, not soft snow, but on the ground it's soft, so it's very odd. No, baby.
How's Gru? A lot of straw?
Well, I'm glad he's warm with that big booty. What are you doing?
I'm filling troughs right now. Devin's finishing milking. We're almost done with the barn stalls, then we gotta go out and do all the heifer hut and the babies. It's called that I'm hungry, so.
More stuff. My feet are cold.
Mine are so warm in these Brent boots. Let me tell ya. My feet are warm.
I think I need to put my Brent boots on.
My feet are really warm in them.
I'm telling you, hand warmers in your boot.
Hello, baby.
Okay, watch out, David's coming through.
Okay.
I have to wait? Yeah. No, she's going that way.
Hot packs are amazing. I wonder how these work. They get hot when you shake them. It's very, very odd. Shorty! What are you doing, man? It's kind of snowing a little softer now.
Careful, please, on your feet, because you have balls of ice.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's not good. I like how he's kind of sweating on his mane and stuff.
He's been getting up under the...
That's the definition of yellow snow.
Right now, we're going to put hay in the heifer hut. My sister's helping me. We're going to put about a bale in there, and then we're going to put a bale under the overhang for my horse, Shorty. Oh! You know what? Why? Okay, little mishap. The bale broke everywhere. Get on.
Quit eating the poop hay.
This is clean hay. It broke. Oh. The hose is clogged. Can't do the heifer barn. Okay. Bucket it from the barn.
Okay, milk has officially been filtered, you guys. Also, Daddy Warbucks has gotten up. He's been in the house sleeping by the fireplace.
We all just like, you want to be friends?
Must be nice. I think he's coming out here right now, so we'll get a little daddy appearance. Oh, Daddy's by the fence.
No. It's not coming out here.
Daddy Warbucks is whining. He wants to come in, but I can't let him. Oh, Daddy. Okay, we are heading down to Pippin because we gotta put some hay in the horse hut for her. Woo! Oh, freezing. Hey girl, hey! Hey, see them. They don't stand together anyway. There you go, Mama. Hello? Yeah, I did. She's fine. Shut that Kubota off real quick. Alright, Pippin, you are good to go.
Let's go. I'm cold and I'm hungry.
I know, you gotta go in and eat. I gotta go feed animals.
It's funny to think about.
gonna scream. All right, what are we doing, Madison?
We have to pick out his feet because the snow decided to...
Ball up under him.
Yeah.
And he can't walk with balls of snow. Mm-hmm.
Because he likes to run around and act crazy.
Yep.
I had a hoof pick in here.
Oh, you
Not
had.
in here anymore. I have a thing I can use,
Okay.
but it's not a hoof pick, so it doesn't look professional.
Whatever it is, let's just get the snow off his hooves.
Whatever it is.
What is it?
It is.
A comb. Oh. Okay. A comb. Close up on this, because this is like carving some snow.
Dang, look at those pretty feet.
This
Like
is
a
your
hole.
sign, you guys, to always check your horse's feet in the snow.
Don't look at the way I'm doing this, okay? I trust him enough to do this. Don't do it.
Just flicking snow in the eyeball. Carve that. Carve it. Oh.
Trying to find a weak spot.
There we go.
Our comb is
Interesting.
combing. The reason why it's kind of sweating off is because he's in the barn right now, but the snow that's like caked on like that, that's a good thing. That's going to keep him insulated and warm. You don't want it sweating off though.
Yeah. Oh, Houdini me? That's Houdini who?
Get it with my lips. Do a quick pull. Oh.
Oh, he's
Ah.
eating it.
Oh.
Oh.
Houdini
Oh,
who?
smartness.
Houdini me, that's Houdini who. I want that going down your throat. So.
He says that's where it's headed.
Look at it. Spit it out. That's gross. Yes, that one.
It is literally blizzarding outside right now.
Yeah. At least we didn't like get a whiteout or something. So.
Not yet.
Not yet. Don't.
Side. Yeah. It is really coming down out there.
Your poor hair. This is like it in the body, guys. Leave me in here.
Titty, see you. How you doing, man? You go back in? You gonna go back in? Yeah? Okay. Oh, guess what time it is? It's time to feed some animals. We had a pig out there. She was shivering, but it's because she was in her hut alone. The other pigs won't go over and sleep with her, so we had to like pack a lot of straw in there with her. But anyway, I gotta go feed them. Madison has gone up to the house. She's taking her time. She's gonna eat, hydrate, do whatever needs to be done in there. And I'm gonna be out here working in the blizzard. This is lovely. I was expecting to wake up in the morning and like there be no snow and everything just be like a hoax almost. But I was wrong. Anyway, let's get some animal food ready. I've got some oats right here for the horses. We gotta make sure they all each get their feed. As a reminder, eating hay, grain, whatever, helps keep these animals warm. So we gotta make sure we're always eating something. Ugh. Oh my gosh. I had to grab a little face cover. It is freezing. Anyway, let's head to the horses. Charlene, what are you doing? Isn't she pretty? Okay. Look at the lake. It's like frozen over, y'all. Dang. Their water's frozen. Well, the difference between not frozen and frozen, somehow his became unplugged. Now I gotta go in and defrost this and give him water. Now, real quick before I head up, I have to plug this Kubota in right here. We have our first side-by-side in. It's already plugged up. I gotta do this one now so that they will stay charged and we can keep using them throughout the day. So, they're gonna stay in here while we're not using them, and they're gonna go back out when we are using them. Here she is. I'm gonna plug this in to an extension cord real quick. Just like this. Okay. As y'all can see, it lights up because it is on. Put the back up. I've got covers covering both sides of the charger. I'm going to put my negative side on this one and my positive side on the other one. And that is how we do it. Let's see. Okay. We are all plugged in and ready to go for this cold. All right. Woo. Look at it coming down. It's really coming down out here. This is crazy. All the horses are bundled up. The pigs are bundled up. The rabbits have water now and are bundled up. All the dairy cows are in the dairy barn, so they're good. Whew. The dogs are inside, of course, spoiled. And now I gotta get warm. I will catch you guys in a minute. Okay, so I'm taking my break. As I take my break, what I'm doing is editing. So this video that I'm editing right now will probably already be out by the time this video is out. But yeah, in my free time I'm editing and I'm making sure to hydrate because that's a big one. My sisters and my dad, they went out, they checked on the cows. I believe they picked up their stalls a little bit, so that's all done. But yeah, everyone's hunkered down and we are just riding the snow out.
Like my dad said today, he's going to teach me how to drive because I really need to know how.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Come here.
I have to make
Grab the laundry.
Huh?
The laundry.
Hot cocoa. Thank God. Daddy is sleeping. It is still snowing.
You're gonna grow purple.
The girls are making snowmen out of horse 5-gallon buckets.
You know what I want to do on those foggy days? After like it rains or something and it's like really foggy out, take the drone and fly it all the way up above the sheet of clouds.
Ooh,
See
yeah.
what's above it.
That'd be cool. But what are we doing right now?
Right now we're taking the milk cart out to the barn because we do not want to have to do that later when it's snowing even more. And then we're going to go check the cows' hay, water, and scoop out some poop and just make sure they're all ready for tonight.
Yes.
So let's go.
Let's do it.
What's up?
I don't know. I'm sorry. We do it your way.
Like usual.
Yep. What the dog doing? I wonder if they make like winter things for your camera so it don't fog up.
Probably not. They're too busy building AI robots.
Stealing our water. We have to get going and just check all the girls' stalls. Just do a quick cleanup before we come out and milk. Like in like an hour, I think. Yeah. All right, ladies. It's very, very, very cold outside. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah. No, thank you. Wait a minute.
I thought she like died of old age, but I was like, didn't she like just get her
Yeah, she was
a few months ago?
That no, you let go. She is always good.
Like that.
Yeah.
Yeah. That might be our best one yet.
Right?
Don't do it. Girl, what you want?
They got water, fresh bedding, everything is good to go until we milk. What are we doing now, Maddie?
Now we're gonna go check out the heifer barn and make sure they have water and fresh bedding.
Yep.
So let's go.
It got dark out so quick.
Yeah.
Oh, careful. Oh, cool. This looks pretty. We're getting quite a bit of snow.
Around it. We're gonna need a hay bale too.
Okay. Who wants to do who? Or who wants to do what?
Oh, did you hear that?
What?
It's like crunkling.
Sounds like Santa sleigh bells. Judy!
Buddy. I'll get the hay bale, you do the water.
Alright, deal. Number 1!
Get it in the bucket, please.
I did my best.
I see that.
On to round 2. Wish me luck.
Goodbye. I said goodbye. Go get it.
Little winter wonderland. Play with me, Papa.
Ah! Creepy. I don't know who she is. Hello. We're in the heifer barn. Me and the girls. It's cold. I'm freezing. But we're having chicken Alfredo for dinner. Made from scratch. So I'm hungry. I'm ready. Got these big girls. Sorry, I just got blocked there. Oh, and there goes the butt. Get your butt at the camera! I'm chilling with my girls. Come here, girl. Or not. Chilling with their butts. We're old. Crazy girl's back. Huh? My eyes are freezing. Don't mess up your hay. I worked hard to get that in here. Anyways, they're being pushy, so I'm gonna get out. They need water. I know that. 1, 2, 3. Do it. Oh, here, just hand it to me. I'm sick and tired of you spilling half of it. There we go.
That's good. Yeah, I did it. These snowflakes are so pretty. Each of them's different. It's so cool. Look at this one. Look, right here.
We can't see
Look. You see
it. How
it?
do you scroll in?
Oh, it's so pretty.
And she's dancing. Watch out.
All right, my peeps, it's dinner time.
I already told him. Chicken Alfredo.
I can already taste it. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry.
I didn't dry this in the dryer and it's stiff like a real.
What are you eating?
And then we'll hear you.
Chicken Alfredo.
And a banana.
And a banana.
Okay, I have to get a sock on.
Oh.
Well, I'm gonna quickly eat, and I gotta go out with my mom and milk cows. And we have to start a house.
I got a good daughter. She helps my mom a lot.
Your mom.
You mean your wife?
Your wife.
My wife.
Okay, time to milk some cows. Whew. It's all coming in a lot more right now. We're kind of in the purple section on the radar. So, this is kind of crazy. Ugh. All right, ladies. Going in this barn. That good?
Down. 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 Right there.
Okay.
Is that good? And then do the same thing on the other window, and it'll be like a cross breeze. It'll pull it through.
Okay. All right, tell me when.
Good. Perfect.
Woo! Sounds icy.
Yes.
Come on in, big girl. All right, Bella. Good.
Your wife.
Thanks.
And the heifers had water.
Yeah, so I had to give them water.
Okay, so did they drink it?
Yes.
Good.
And
That's
it
what I
wasn't
Good.
fully frozen.
Good. So their body heat should be helping it. And then I had Maddie put straw all around it.
Okay.
So I'm hoping she did that again.
Yes. Well, no, there's still straw all around.
Good.
It. She just packed it up more.
Good. Good. They're drinking a ton. Like Amanda says, they're not milking and it's winter. So.
Right. Well, I'd say winter is definitely a rough season for us here on the farm, but at the end of the day, every bit of hard work is definitely worth it to keep these animals safe, warm, well-fed, and most importantly, happy. As the day comes to an end, we are more than exhausted, and knowing winter is not over yet, we still have colder days and more work ahead of us. So, until then, we will make sure to stay warm, and we hope y'all do the same.
And do not forget to hit that notification bell so you do not miss any new videos like this one.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.